notary public, Daniel, administers an oath to an individual, knowing the statement made under oath was false. Upon investigation, it is discovered that Daniel was aware of this falsehood, but still notarized the document. Which of the following penalties could Daniel face under the executive law? To answer this question, let's have a look at that executive law, and particularly under the header of misconduct by a notary and removal from office. It states, "A notary public who, in the performance of the duties of such office, shall practice any fraud or deceit is guilty of a misdemeanor, and may be removed from office." The notary may be removed from office if the notary made a misstatement of a material fact in his application for appointment, for preparing and taking an oath of an affiant to a statement that the notary knew to be false or fraudulent. So with all this in mind, let's have a look at our four choices to determine our solution. Choice A states, suspension from office with a fine of up to $1,000. This is not what's stated in the executive law as we just read from, and therefore choice A is not the correct solution. Choice B states a civil suit, but no removal from office. This is incorrect, as we saw before. Removal from office is one of the potential consequences. A civil suit may also be a consequence, but that is not the primary consequence as stated in the law, and therefore choice B is not the correct solution. Choice C states criminal prosecution and removal from office. Indeed, as we saw before, the notary public is subject to a misdemeanor, which is criminal prosecution, as well as removal from office. Therefore, this seems to be the correct solution. But before we mark it as such, let's have a quick look at choice D just to be certain. Choice D states, no action, as a notary cannot be held liable for statements made under oath by others. This is absolutely incorrect. The notary public cannot notarize a statement in which they know is false. Therefore, choice D is also not the correct solution, which leaves choice C, criminal prosecution and removal from office, as the correct solution.